number 1 of 6th standard geography NCERT, the earth in the solar system. So this is the geography NCERT, the earth our habitat. So especially in this NCERT, everything related to earth is there. Very basic NCERT, it is looking like 6th standard, बट क्या होता है ना, इन्हीं एनसीईआरटी से 2-3 क्वेश्चंस आर कमिंग एवरी ईयर एंड वी टेंड टू इग्नोर दिस एनसीईआरटीज. तो इसीलिए I will try to finish one by one chapter from all the NCERTs within 1 or 2 months. All the NCERTs we will finish, and after completing one NCERT, entire NCERT, the PDF notes of that NCERT I will give, because one chapter notes if I start to give now, 1 page notes only it will be. Okay, तो एक चैप्टर के एक पेज में ही नोट्स आएंगे विदिन 1 पेज और हाफ पेज. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. तो इंटायर NCERT in 2-3 lectures, 3-4 lectures it will take. Maybe one day, today I will try to finish this half NCERT or whole NCERT. तो इससे आपको you will get maximum output from these NCERTs. क्या क्या आपको एक्स्ट्रा सर्च करना है, in addition notes में मैं क्या क्या ऐड करूँगा, that I will tell. Before that, whenever you are reading NCERT ना, anyway I will give the notes of NCERT as you are my paid members. But अगर आप खुद से भी पढ़ रहे हैं, या if some of your friend don't want to join our course and he want to NCERT, tell them that how to read the NCERT. So first of all, in the NCERT, every NCERT there is a constitution. Is it visible? Okay, yeah. So in every NCERT there is constitution of India. So you have to read this constitution and carefully, and down there are 2 subheadings. That's 2 subheadings are there that when this amendment happen and these things. So you have to remember these questions are coming directly from these things. Okay, and another thing, there is a in few books there is a Jana Gana Mana. Okay, I have to check where it is. Yeah, so in this book it is there, Jana Gana Mana, our national anthem is there, and in down there is our national anthem composed originally in Bangla by Rabindranath Tagore, adopted in its Hindi version by Constitutional Assembly as a national anthem of India on 24th January 1950. Actually in 2021 prelims, direct question was come from this page, direct question. So you should not directly start from the first chapter. Whatever national anthem, preamble, duties, fundamental rights are given in the NCERT na, that itself will cover. Directive principles are also given like this in the first pages. So that itself will cover 3-4 questions in the UPSC prelims. Okay, so apart from this, let's start to this chapter. Okay, so first of all I will tell you the chapter name is the earth in the solar system. So what I will do, I will explain every concept of this chapter. It will look very easy to some people, it will look difficult to some people. मतलब कि whoever is not started or never read NCERT, उनको ये थोड़ा difficult लगेगा, या it will be value addition to them. But जिन्होंने already 2-3 years पढ़ा है उनको ये रिपीटेशन लगेगा, बट स्टिल यू विल फाइंड समथिंग कि हाउ डिफरेंटली द एनसीईआरटी कैन बी रेड एंड हाउ we have to approach the NCERT and how the questions directly come. Options are made by UPSC from the NCERT directly. Believe me, static syllabus, nothing is out of NCERT. Means in UPSC only 3-4 books are there that are only for our satisfaction. Otherwise, if you follow the NCERTs by heart, and whatever notes I will give, I will give detailed notes of NCERTs. That will be the enough for static syllabus. Okay, so first of all, the earth concepts are there. First of all, we will cover the concepts. So there is the full moon concept. Full moon is there. So what is the full moon? Full means full. Okay, so it is not difficult. It is not difficult to remember, right? Full moon means Purnima. When there is a full moon, that is called full moon. Okay, nothing difficult. And new moon is opposite of full moon. New moon is what? Amavasya. When there is no moon, new moon means no moon. Okay, when there is no moon in the means upper, so no moon means new moon. When there is no moon, it is not visible to us. It is there, but it is there, but we are not able to see it. इसलिए उसको बोलते हैं न्यू मून. तो फुल मून एंड न्यू मून, यूपीएससी कैन मेड ऑप्शंस बाय यूजिंग these words. What is full moon, for what is new moon? So remember, I will give in the notes also that what is full moon, what is new moon. You read and remember. The options can be prepared by using these words. Okay, some current related questions, some dynamic related questions.